Learning to use Windows PowerShell is actually pretty easy once you get to know a few of the basic commands. Let's start off here in the Windows PowerShell command window and type get help. Now down here in the short description area, we see that get help displays information about Windows PowerShell commandlets and the concepts around each one of those commandlets. Now down here in the long description section, we see that PowerShell doesn't actually include any help files, but we can read the help topics online, or actually we can use the update help to download the help files to our local computer. So the first time that you use get help, you'll be asked if you want to update the help files. PowerShell doesn't actually ship with much in the way of help files, but once you've updated this initially, you can actually access these help files locally unless you specify otherwise. Now what's key to this demonstration is if you look down here in the get help in the examples section, you see how to use get help, and it's as simple as providing the name of the command that you want to learn about. So what I'll do here is I'll type get help, get child item, to view a sample of what get help provides. And you'll notice that the information listed here is synopsis, syntax, description, related links, and further down remarks. Now if I run this exact same command again, but this time with the full attribute, we see that there's additional information. For instance, the parameters section describes each parameter and how that parameter is used. We'll be talking quite a bit more about syntax as we work our way through this course, but scrolling down here you'll see there's new information on such things as inputs and outputs. You can get to examples directly by adding the examples parameter, and what I'll do is I'll type get help, get child item, examples. This is probably the quickest way to learn how to use the get child item command. Now one thing that's actually pretty critical to point out is that get help accepts wildcards that are commonly used, such as the asterisk. So if I type get help asterisk item, you'll see that it returns any help topic that includes the actual term item. One thing that's not shown by get help is if there's any different aliases for this command. And an alias is simply a command line shortcut. So I can use get alias to see all of the default command aliases. And you'll notice that dir is an alias for the get child item. So we can retype one of our earlier commands by typing help dir or help dir, and this gets us the same result. So that pretty much concludes this demonstration of getting help.